Hey Noah, dinosaurs are huge. How could they fit?
How did I fit the dinosaurs? This ark is huge. Now, I know there are different kinds of dinosaurs with many varieties within each kind, but the Lord brought to me two of every kind of land animal. And there's only about 50 kinds of what you call dinosaurs. So I only needed around 100 of them. Oh, I know what you're thinking. But dinosaurs are so huge. Well, the average sized dinosaur would only come up to about waist high, and some are as small as chickens. Besides, God didn't have to bring full-grown adults. Young dinosaurs are easier to handle. They eat less, and they live longer to reproduce after the flood. Very good question. Anything else? Well, good. I really should get back to my work then.